My son Logan was diagnosed with autism at 2 years old. We began immediate early intervention treatment. Um, Actually, we even started the treatment prior to the official diagnosis because we knew, but we also did the research to know that early intervention was very important. So we started right at 2 with early intervention, then moved on to the preschool in our school district. Um, and we were in the preschool for 2.5 years. And in the meantime, also doing numerous outside therapies, ABA, OT, speech, vision therapy, on and on and on. We did all those therapies, and then he went into kindergarten in the district, and that was fine. The class size ratio was okay still. It wasn't overwhelming for him, but it wasn't until the beginning of first grade that we realized that it just wasn't going to be a good fit for us anymore. The class size grew exponentially. I think there were 26 kids in the class with one teacher, and on the second day of school was when we decided that it was time for a team meeting, and so we called the IEP team together and just brought out our concerns because there were numerous violations just right off the bat, and in the meantime, I was doing some research on the Autism Scholarship because I've been very active in the autism community since his diagnosis. I worked at Akron Children's Hospital with the Akron Autism Society chapter I ran a parent support group for parents with newly diagnosed children, birth to 5. And so I was really active in the autism community outside of the therapies we were doing, but as with parents as well. So I was familiar with the scholarship. I just didn't think that we would ever need it because it just seemed that our school district was meeting our needs until we got until the first grade and realized that it was a whole different ball of wax. So I had already done some research on Julie Billiard School and some other local schools that do take the scholarship as well. And I reached out through the different online groups that we have. There's like the Yahoo groups and that, and asked parents, questions, and asked good friends questions about the scholarship, how it works, the different schools, and we went and toured Julie Billiard. And it was like we walked in the front door. It was like the hallelujah chorus went off, because prepping for an IEP is like studying for the bar. I mean, like you go in needing to know so much information. Like I always joke that I think that most parents of special need kids could literally practice special ed law. So, but it was just amazing, to see the student to teacher ratio and all the services that were available to the kids. I mean, not only just within the classroom, but even with the computers and the technology available, and just the teachers and the staff and their passion that they have for the kids. I mean, it wasn't that our school district wasn't passionate, but there were only about 2 people that really cared about our success, whereas now we have an entire school that's behind us 100%, So, I mean, it's wonderful. I mean, over the course of the last 5 years, from diagnosis till now, autism's a very expensive diagnosis, and without therapies being covered under insurance, for 5 years we were paying everything out of pocket at 100%. And it just got to last year where we just ran out. I mean, our credit cards were tapped, 401ks were empty, and we had to file bankruptcy. Nothing that I'm proud of, but we filed Chapter 13 bankruptcy, which is the one where we pay it back, because we didn't qualify for 7 because we're too middle class for our own good. So and at that time, we had to, last April, completely stop all therapy because we had no source of funding for anything. So last year we went without a summer camp, without a summer program at all, no ESY through the district, nothing. And then transitioned back into the school year to this terrible situation. And literally, if it wasn't for the Autism Scholarship and our school, Julie Billiard, my son wouldn't be getting any therapy right now. And right now he's getting everything he needs. Speech therapy, occupational therapy, music therapy, art therapy, and just a whole bunch of love from the administration and the teachers. They're wonderful.
Give Mom a big hug.
Say you love your school.
I love my school.
What's your school's name?
Joey Billiard.
Yeah. What grade are you in?
I think it's going to be first grade.
Yeah, you're in the first grade. Can I have a kiss?